Colin Simpson last updated 11:51, December 5, 2017. Bitcoin's extraordinary price surge means its market capitalization now exceeds the annual output of whole economies, and the estimated worth of some of the world's top billionaires. With the debate over its bubble status still raging, the flagship cryptocurrency continued its march higher on Monday, solidifying above NZD $16,000 and bringing its climb this year to more than 1,000%. With market tracker CoinMarketCap.com putting the total value of all bitcoins in circulation at $277 billion, it's come a long way from August, when one coin could buy you a hefty supply of avocados. Bitcoin has surpassed the value of the New Zealand economy. Here are 5 things that have been eclipsed by Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. Redmore Winklevoss twins become first Bitcoin billionaires. Desperate to raise house deposits, young men turn to Bitcoin designers. Calculate billion-dollar GDP value. New Zealand's GDP, the South Pacific nation's farm and tourism economy, is valued at $270 billion, according to World Bank data as of July, putting it some $7 billion below Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency's market cap is also bigger than the likes of Qatar, Kuwait and Hungary. Goldman Sachs and UBS. Bitcoin's run-up has even seen it valued more highly than 2 of the world's most influential banks. Goldman Sachs' market cap was $141 billion as of Friday, while Zurich-based UBS Group came in at about $97.7 billion. Add those numbers together and it still falls short of Bitcoin. Both financial heavyweights have taken a hands-off approach to the digital currency, with Goldman CEO Lloyd Blankfein saying it's too early to draft a Bitcoin strategy, and UBS, the world's biggest wealth manager, saying it won't allocate it in portfolios because of the threat of a government crackdown. Boeing, it may make jumbo jets, but Boeing's market cap of $236 billion is also less than that of a digital currency that didn't exist 10 years ago. The Chicago-based company, which describes itself as the world's largest aerospace firm, is more than a century old and employs 140,000 people in more than 65 countries, according to its website. Rival Airbus fares no better. It's got a market value of €66 billion, $114 billion. The combined wealth of Bill Gates, Warren Buffett and Queen Elizabeth is still less than the value of Bitcoin. 14 aircraft carriers. If Bitcoin's market cap could be used to buy military equipment, it would pack a mighty punch. The USS Gerald R. Ford, the first of a new class of nuclear-powered supercarriers, was delivered to the U.S. Navy in May. It cost an estimated $22.5 billion, so if investors put all the Bitcoins together, they would be able to buy a fleet of 14 ships. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Queen Elizabeth, they sit atop Bloomberg's Billionaires Index, but even if Gates and Buffett pulled the fortunes, they wouldn't have enough to buy all the Bitcoins in circulation. Gates is worth $155 billion and Buffett has $143 billion, according to the index. Not even Queen Elizabeth II could get them over the line. If she brought her $558 million to the table, Bloomberg